Have you ever seen a product and thought to yourself, is that really worth? Or saw the price on it and it was so cheap you said to yourself, that's gotta suck? Well, today we're gonna bring you a few of our favorites, or at least some things that we've tried. Welcome to Try It with TNT. I'm Tony.
And I'm Teresa. So grab a glass of wine.
Or a cold one, and let's get started. Straight from the freezer, our first item is our cooler pack. We used the heck out of this summer, did we not?
Yes, we did.
This is what we use to keep our refreshments, food, snacks, grandsons, little drink juice boxes cold all summer long. And it was absolutely one of the coolest things we've ever had.
It's a cooler pack, so obviously cool. The amazing part is it stays cold for days.
It really did, didn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
We had this in the cooler sometimes for 3-4 days, and when we finally remembered maybe to pull it out and put it back in the freezer, there was still a block of ice at least around the center of it. I was totally impressed. I really was.
And when you're done with it, drain out the water and put it away.
You will enjoy the cooler pack.
Yes, you will.
As a reminder, all the links are down below. Be sure to grab yours before they run out. The next one is a hot one on Amazon right now. This is the Anker USB-C hub.
It has an HDMI port and 3 USB ports.
Yeah.
It's a fast charger.
I used this today. I'm not kidding. I did a short for it, and by the time I was done, I was actually impressed with the fact of how many things I had plugged in. I had my headphones plugged in. I had a thumb drive in here to upload stuff to the computer, and I had another one plugged in here that had 2 ports on it, and I had my lavalier microphones charging. It was pretty cool, and I can see why this is such a good seller on Amazon right now.
Yeah, me too.
If you're tired of unplugging things to plug other things in and you just want to do it all at the same time, the Anker USB-C hub with a 5-in-1 4K HDMI, that's the way to go. You're going to like this one. Let's see what's next. Popular enough to rank number 50 in beauty and personal care and number 1 in neck and docolette moisturizers.
Wow, I don't even know what that means.
Do you know what a docolette is?
No, what is that?
It's the area right here. It's your neck area for a woman, or a guy, I guess.
Wow.
Yeah, that's number 1 for that kind of thing.
Guess I should be using it.
Okay, so apparently this one seriously is a beauty care MVP. It is number 1.
Yes, it is number 1.
And that's kind of good. It's Simply Vital.
Collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid.
Thank God. The link will be down below for you on that one.
This is good stuff. Reviewers are wild for it.
You know, you looked at this earlier. How many units has this sold in like the past month?
It was 60,000 last month.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's
People with sensitive skin say this is Botox in a bottle.
yeah, I like that.
Yeah, right?
It's catchy.
You're actually supposed to push this down a couple of times, then it comes out. See it?
Okay, right.
And you push it down, it comes out right there. And then you put it on your neck, right? The docolette.
It's French for the neck area.
How's it look? Does it look better already?
So this next one is one of my personal favorites. It's not the ones that I have on right now. These are the professional ones I use in the studio. These are the Soundcore Q20 Bluetooth wireless headphones. And the reason I have no problem spitting that out is because Teresa and I have both had a pair of these for how long?
At least 2 years.
At least 2 years. Same pair. I use these specifically because I like to lay in bed at night and watch television. Well, these Bluetooth effortlessly to the TV every single night, and I lay there and I'm able to watch TV and I don't keep her awake.
It saved our marriage.
These are also noise canceling headphones, and I've tried a lot of headphones. You'll see other reviews on Try It with TNT where I've had some headphones on. I find myself always going back to these, and I've tried some good headphones, but the Soundcore Q20 headphones, for the price, you can't really get a better pair of headphones.
Even the neighbor bought a pair. Hearing us talk about it, he was like, yeah, I need some of those. I always keep her awake.
And you know what? These actual headphones are a good segue into what we're going to do next. So let's take a look at those.
This is the future of sleep and to happy marriages. This is the LC Delita Bluetooth
Do you think
sleep
you should
mask.
say that with like some sort of accent?
I am using an accent.
You're using your southern accent.
I'm using an accent.
Good for you. Good for you. Yeah. No pressure points with these. Am I right? When you're wearing that, you're comfortable. It's not like you after like an hour of laying there, you're going, oh, my temples hurt.
It's perfect.
It's selling a lot.
They're Bluetooth. You can connect it to your phone and listen to your white noise.
Now, in your case, honey, just so you know, you will not fall asleep that quickly to Guns N' Roses.
I probably will not be laying in a bed listening to them either.
Yeah, sure.
At least I don't hear you snoring.
Whatever.
This is a 10 out of 10.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. This is actually called the Zalion Massager.
I have never seen the lights. Those are pretty cool. No.
That's because it's been behind my back or my neck all the time where you don't see the lights. But this is one of those items to me, and I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is one of those items where you go, oh, as seen on TV. But you know what? It works.
It works.
And also selling some units on Amazon. I actually find this incredibly relaxing. I have trouble at night with my neck, and I've always had trouble with my back. But if I want to relax and be relaxed at night in bed, I spend about 20 minutes with this behind me on my neck and on my back, and I will sleep like a baby.
Yes, for sure.
It's good stuff.
See the wheels are turning in there? Yeah, for your neck, shoulders, knees, and toes. I'm sorry.
Neck, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes.
For your neck, shoulders, back, calves. It's a full body massage.
The Zalion Massager. It'll be down below in the link. Grab one before they're all gone. What's next, baby? It collapses. It lights up. And I'm not going to even try to say the name of it, but it'll be down below in the link. It's a solar lantern. We've used it. It's supposed to be used in case of emergencies, but we didn't use it for an emergency. We just happened to be trying to spend the night on the lake in our boat, which was a silly thing to do. And then we needed light. So these were working fantastic for us, were they not?
Yes, they are fantastic. They're solar or USB, and you also have USB and C ports right there, so if you need to charge your phone. And it's a flashlight.
What?
So you can carry it around.
I don't think I knew that.
You didn't know that?
I don't think I knew that.
Well, we didn't use it for that. We weren't using it for that. So if you need to go to the bathroom at night when you're camping.
I mean, obviously fantastic for camping.
Yeah.
They're water resistant. You can hang them from the boat, and during a rainstorm, they'll work just fine. However, do not
drop it in the lake for a couple of days.
Don't drop it in the lake.
Does not work anymore.
They're still a fantastic product, and selling a lot of these units on Amazon as well.
Every one of these are linked in our storefront if you want to check them out.
Whether it's tech, health and beauty, home, gardening, camping, whatever it is, we'll only share what we actually use.
That's right. We tried it. We liked it. Maybe you will too.
And we'll see you next time right here on the Barstools.
Subscribe if you want more TNT in your life.
Sorry. And bring your golly green.